A very warm welcome to day one of our operational management session. See, my dear friends, if you ask me in your group 2, which is one of the highest scoring paper, not only me, but everyone will tell you operational management is the one of the very scoring paper. Now, after making our exam into online, now our exam, that is OPM paper, very top scoring paper among all the 8 papers. So now, how will be our approach for the session will be? How will be our approach for the session will be? See, our operational management and strategic management. See, we can split into 2 parts, operational management and strategic management. The strategic management, as you know, it is very clear, 30% of area, whereas operational management is 70% area. This 30% area is full of theory session. This operational management we have theory and problem session. So what we gonna do in this grand revision, we are going to revise all the problem, and we will discuss or we will give you the important theory questions. Here also the important theory questions. That means we gonna revise all the problem area, and also we will highlight you the important theory question both in the OPM and SM part, so that you can score maximum mark in your OPM paper. So are you ready? So you are good clarity how we gonna approach. Now, are you ready? Yes or no? You can type in the chat box. I can able to see you. Okay. So shall we start? Yes. Now we have already shared. See, first we will start with the introduction. So what we are starting to learn with introduction. First, the meaning operational management. What is operational management? See, this operation, generally operation means what? Converting input into output. That is called operation, converting input into output. Otherwise, we call converting raw material into finished goods. Is called operation. So, what is for ours? Operational management. This operational management discuss about how to convert input into output with maximum efficiency and effectiveness. This is achieved by following 2 objectives. First one, it is optimum utilization of resources. And the second one, yes, you are right, customer satisfaction. Second one, customer satisfaction. The first one, it is what? Optimum utilization of resources, and the second one, it is what? Customer satisfaction. So now we are discussing how this optimum utilization of resources. We have a lot of resources, man, machine, all the resources are. So how to optimum utilize? In that, the first situation is what? Selection of machine. If you want to optimum utilize, first we have to select the machine. The first area is called selection of machine. The first area is called selection of machine. So today we are starting with a topic called selection of machine. Selection of machine. See, generally in costing or generally in OPM, when any decision, lower the cost is better the option. Any decision, lower the cost is better the decision. So when you have two machine A, B, first of all you have to classify the cost into two. The first one it is fixed cost, another one it is variable cost. So you will get total cost. I'll repeat once again. First we have to convert into fixed cost. Another one is what? Variable cost. Then we have to find out the total cost. See, maybe machine to machine, the productivities may be different. So you have to find out what is the units in a given period of time. Then total cost per unit we have to identify. Lower the cost will be the better the rank. This is the first decision we have to take in an operational management, because which machine is to be purchased, which machine is to be purchased. I know you are ready, I am also ready, so you can open the material we have shared with you. I am also opening the material with you. We can start the problem. I am also going to start the material which I have shared with you. See, your all online MTP questions are ready. In the coming classes, that is in the last class, we will discuss the online MTP question also. Your online MTP is ready, my dear friends. Your OPM syllabus is very less. So your online MTP is ready. The next class, the last class, we will discuss your online MTP, how they are testing also for your benefit, for your benefit. Okay. So hope you are ready. We are ready. We can start. Very, very easy areas. Just loading the thing. Yes, my dear friends. So as we were discussing, it is all about selection of machine. So there is a machine K, machine L. Investment is there, interest on borrowed fund is there, operating is there, production per hour is there. The factories whose works cost are lakh and 20 work effectively 4,000 hours in a two shift. Justify with appropriate calculation. Please mute friends. Then if only 4,000 is there, which one will select? I am here ready for you. We can start. So how we will make it? Please listen. Statement showing selection of best machine. So what are all the conditions we have? See, as already we discussed, we have to classify the cost into two parts. What are all the two part? Fixed and variable cost. So what is the machine we have? Machine K and machine L. Are you ready? So first of all will come fixed cost. See, if you understand here, the interest is a fixed cost. Interest on borrowed capital. How we will find out the interest? 60,000 is the amount into 15%. Then 1 lakh into 15%. Then operating cost, all the other costs are coming under operating. So first we have to make it. How many hours they were telling? 4,000 hours. How many hours they are telling? 4,000 hours. So variable cost. So what will come, my dear friends? Variable cost, operating cost. So what is the operating cost, my dear friends? The operating cost is 12 per hour. We have already made a 4,000 hours. So 4,000 into 12. What about here? Here we have 4,000 into 10. So this is what your total cost. See, my dear friend, if you look into, there is one factor overhead, which is common cost for both the machine. Which is common cost for both the machine. That is why we are not taking separately. Yes, some of the friends already started giving the answer. Very good. Now we have to know what is the production units. We will get the production units, my dear friends. Production in units. How we will get production in units? See, 6 pieces. We produce 6 pieces. How many hours? 4,000. So answer. I will share you the Excel sheet. Don't worry. If any friends little slow, don't worry. I will share you the Excel sheet. So you have 10 pieces. So 4,000 into 10 pieces. So this is what we were discussing in the highlight time also. We have to identify the output. Now you can find out the cost per unit. What is meant by cost per unit? Point number 3 divided by 4. Very good, Samvit, very good. So 57 by 24, 2.375. Log $4,000 hours. If it is a 4,000 hours, then which one will be the best? Machine L is the best. If it is 4,000 hours, then which one is the best? Machine L is the best. Now going further, what is the second part they were asking? The second part they were asking, if there is only 4,000 pieces to be produced in a year, then which will good our cost? So what will happen now? The same statement, but little bit changes are there. So the first thing it is, it will come instead of 4 hours, it will come for the instead of resale. But your operating, this is the only thing which all of you should understand. Yes, we are ready to help you. See here, the units is given. So here, what is the hour for 6 unit is given. So you will get total hour. How it will be? See, 4,000 is our total. Listen very well. 4,000 is our total hours. For each unit we require, for 6 unit we require 1 hour. So 4,000 divided by 6, you will get how many hours? Into, for the first product it will be 12. What about the second product? Second product, it is also 4,000 unit. For a it make 10 into hourly rate also 10. See how interesting. So the output here it is both are same, both are 4,000. Some of the friends are already given the answer. So what is the answer, my dears? 4.25 and 4.75. So what will be the ranking here? Look here, the ranking went ulta here. Just ulta it came ranking. How interesting. Any doubt, please ask. Copy fast. Yes, are you clear? Yes or no? Yes. Factory overhead, I have already told you. Factory overhead is a common cost, no need to consider. It is a common cost, it will come in both the case. So no need to consider. Now what is question number part 3? For how many pieces of production would the cost be the same of the machine? This is very important point, my dears. This is we call by a name called indifference cost. This we call by a name called indifference cost. Everyone listen here. This can be tested from your objective perspective also. So indifference cost means, see the first level, which product is positive, first product, second one is product. But in second option, the first one is positive. So the indifference level is both are same. Indifference level is both are same. The equation for that is change in cost divided by, that is change in fixed cost divided by change in variable cost. This is the equation. Very important, change in fixed cost by change in variable cost. So what is the change in fixed cost? Change in fixed cost, we now look here. Your fixed is 15,000 and 9,000. So what is the change in? What is the change in variable cost? This everyone should understand. You have to make it variable cost per unit only. For this analysis, you should find out change in variable cost per unit. If you want, you can write here also change in variable cost per unit. So we have two machines. What are the machine we have? K and L. See K, if you look, 1 hour we take 12 rupees. 6 unit we make. 10 unit. So this is the variable cost per unit 2 and 1. For your benefit, we will repeat once again. K, what is specialty? 12 per hour and 6 we use. So 12 by 6 it will come to. Here will come 1, 10 out of 10, which will also be 1. So what will be the change in variable cost? Change in variable cost will be 1. How it will be 1? 2 minus 1. So what will be the indifference unit? Indifference unit will be, you are right, my dear friends, 6,000 divided by 1, which you will get 6,000. Are you clear? Yes or no? Super, 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 super. Now, my dear friends, we will move question. What is the next question? See, this question number 2 is same question. This you can do it as a homework. Question number 2 is the same question. You can do it as a homework. Now we will go for question number 3. I know you are ready. This is a lot of time previous year question. This lot of time previous year question. Question number 3. So I will only same question only, question number 3 here. Because your online MTP, they will ask one question, 3 subdivision like that. So here we have 3 subdivision is there. We will start. I hope you are ready. So if department works on 8-hour shift, 288 days in a year, and has usage data of a machine are given below. A, B, C, annual demand and processing time is given. First they were asking processing time needed in hours to produce A, B, C. Yes, first they were asking the processing hours. Yes, my dear friends, we are starting it. What we are going to start? Processing hours. What all the product we have? We have the product. Yeah. Annual demand. What is the annual demand? 325. What is the processing time? 5 4 6. Total. Very easy. You cannot believe it. This is a regularly coming question for your exam. You may not believe it. This is regularly coming question for your exam. Very good, Resika. Very good, Resika. Super. So the answer will be 6725. What is next? Annual production capacity of 1 in standard hours. How to find out annual production hours? We have 8-hour shift. Into how many days are there? 288 days. Tell me what will be the answer? 8 into 288 hours. 2304 hours. Yes, you are right, my dear friends. So, what is the last part? Last part they are asking. Number of machines required, which will be 6725 is the requirement. One machine having capacity of 2304 only. If you divide this, you cannot go in fraction. The answer will come 3 machine. You cannot go machine fraction. So it will come 3 machine. How interesting we have completed. See, your previous year exam questions are very easy, my dears. You will believe what we do. Okay. Now we have this question number 4 is there. But before doing question number 4, we will do some other concept. Then we will come back. Are you ready? So before doing question number 4, we will do some other concept, then we will come back. What is the next concept we gonna discuss? So we were discussing there are different things are there. Selection of machine. Now once you selected, next decision you have to go with what? Replacement decision. Next concept we have to go with what? Replacement decision. Are you ready? Your study material 1 or 2 question only there. But for clarity, we're gonna do different level. Are you ready? Very good, very good. So we gonna start. One of the easy area replacement decision. You have already learned it. It's very simple and easy concept. We will start. So question number 5. First, I will read for you. Question number 5. First, I will read for you. The following table gives the running cost per year and resale value of a certain equipment whose purchase price is what? 6,500. What year the replacement due optimally? What year the replacement due optimally? So, as we all know, first any replacement we have to give year. What all the year we have to give? Up to 8 years. What is the cost we have? Running cost. So first thing we have to write this. So what is the running cost? 1,400, 1,500, 1,700, 2,000, 2,400, 2,800, 3,300, 3,900. Now how we will find out? See, for the benefit of everyone, I will tell once again the concept very fast. See, in replacement decision, we are finding out the total cost. So total cost, there are two costs are there. First one it is net capital cost. What is meant by net capital cost? Otherwise, we can call depreciation. See, you purchase for 6,500. See, when you are selling, you will get only 4,000. You purchased for 6,500, but when you are selling, you are getting only 4,000. That means balance is your loss. So what is the loss? 2,500. Next will come what? You purchased for 6,500. You are selling for 3,000. So there is a loss of 3,500. Again 6,500 you purchased it. You are selling for 2,200. See, this will keep on going. So it will come 1,700. Okay. 6,500 minus 1,300. Next year. 6,500 minus 1,000. 6,500 minus 1,000. So here this credit. So this is the total cost. See, now one more total cost is there. That is nothing but running cost. But this running cost is for a year only. We should get total. So what we will do? We can find it for cumulative running cost. We can find out it for what? Cumulative running cost. See, look here. Find out. So we will find out our total cumulative running cost. So now next step, what we have to do now? We have to find out our total cost. So what is the total cost, my dears? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total cost nothing but we have mainly two running cost and net capital cost. So both has to be added. That is the only called total cost. So how it will be? 1,400. So this you have to be added. So now need to do find out the full. Your intention is to find out the average 1 year, which is the lower cost. So average cost per year. How to find out average cost per year? Your total cost is point number 5. Your year is 1. If you divide, you will get. That is 3,900 divided by 1. Here 3,000. We are coming to our main concept. See, your cost is getting reduced. But after a level, it will start increase. If it is increased, that means the optimum level is here, which is called 5th year. Which is called 5th year. After the 5th year, if you look the number, it is getting increased. Yes or no? Copy fast. This concept, different level, different dimension we discuss. We don't want to miss any 1 mark for you. So please be fast. So hope you have completed. We will move to next level question. We will move to next level question. What is the next level question? So little bit changes are there, but we will be able to solve. Yes or no? Are you ready? So here, a plant manager is considering replacement policy of a new machine. He estimates the following cost. Year 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Replacement cost at the beginning, salvage value at the end day, then operating cost. So we can start. See here, if this number here, and one concept. What concept you can understand? The concept you can understand it is what? See here, once it started increasing, then it will increase. It means no need to do year after that. So what we can do now? Though the question we have 6 years, we can try for 4 year alone. If required, only we want to go for further. It will come operating cost. So what is the operating cost? 25, 30, 40, then 50. So here the net capital cost computation little difference. Here the 160 we have to make. 110 minus 120, 40. 140 minus 25. Now total cost. See, same step. See, the answer is optimum replacement. See, it is 6 years. We have done only 2 years, but still we get the how interesting. So we have to practice. You have to give the comment. The choice you have to pick is what? Optimum period of replacement is at the end of second year. So step by step we will go for advanced problem. Step by step we will go for advanced problem. Complete fast. We will go for advanced problem. See, the optimum will be the lower cost. You have to find out here. We have 65, 57, it coming down. 60. So the lower cost is what? 57. 57 belongs to year 2. So latecomers, I am repeating once again. The optimum will be the item which is having the lower cost. The optimum will be the item which is having the lower cost. So if you look, the lower cost is what? Year 2. So, little advanced problem we will go. Hope you are ready. 7 is a similar question. You can do it as a homework. Question number 7 is a similar question. You can do it as a homework. Now, we will go with question number 8. Now, we will go with question number 8. A firm is using a machine whose purchase cost is 13,000. Installation charges is 3,600. Machine having a scrap value of only 1,600. The firm has a monopoly type work. The maintenance cost is given up to 9 years. The firm wants to determine after how many years the machine be replaced on economic consideration, assuming that machine replacement can done only at a year end. The first part are not noticed, but second part was the result is. So we have up to 9 years. We have already learned it. No need to give up to 9 years and more. But still let us make it for 8 years. See the cost, maintenance cost or otherwise cost, all are same equally. Running cost, what is the question? What is the running cost? 250, 7,000, 4,000. So we have to make it cumulative running cost. Next, after the cumulative running cost, main important in this case is calculation of net. See the last problem note about easy value, but here it is not there. So if it is not there, see look here, from this we can take it 13,000. This is the common purchase price. There is a installation amount of 3,000. So your total purchase come out 16,600. Repeating one again, your purchase cost is called this 600 minus there is that which is 1,600. So which will come 15,000. See look here, you will get 15,000. This will become all the case. Since the scrap value coming anytime when you sell is same, it will be same. So you have to find out the total cost. So please understand how the treatment will come in this case. Please understand, that's all. Balance everything same. The only new thing here it is net capital cost that now we have discussed. So please find out your answer is ready. So what is the lower cost? See here it is getting reduced, getting reduced, getting reduced, getting reduced, getting reduced. After here getting increased. Here, after getting reduced, it is started increasing. So it is here, it is the best thing. So you can make it optimum period of replacement is what? See? Optimum period of replacement is at the end of 6th year. How interesting. Very good. Copy fast. See, this is a special question. See, the 15,000 is very simple. Your resale value is 1,600 all the case. In the all the other previous year question, each case there is a resale value is here. Here, all the case, one resale value. One resale value. So you will get the same answer 15,000. You get the same answer 15,000. To next question. What is the next question? Here, question number 9. So we are moving to the model. So a machine M1 costing 9,000 has a maintenance cost of what? Rupees 200 in the first year of operation, which raises by 2,000. Assuming the machine replacement can be done in a year and determine the best age of machine to be replaced. Listen everyone, a standard question. So here they don't tell anything. So what we will do now, we will assume for a few years we have to work out. The question doesn't give any year and road. So we can just do randomly for a 6 year, then we can discuss. Now how to find out the running cost? Listen very well, very interesting. The first year we are going 2,000. There onwards, it is 2,000 each of the successive years. That means 200 is there plus 2,000 will be. Next will come what? This 2,200 is there. Again 2,000 will come. 2,000 rupees. See, you got the answer. Now what we have to make it? Cumulative. So how the cumulative? See, look here. We were ending. Now what is next? You are correct, my dears. Cumulative is over. This is very important. Net capital cost. Net capital cost in this question is very important. What is your purchase price? 9,000. Yeah, very well listen. Scrap value mentioned or not mentioned? Scrap value is not mentioned. If scrap value is not mentioned, we'll assume 0. If scrap value is not mentioned, we'll assume 0. So scrap value is not mentioned. Since we are assumed 0, 9,000 minus 0, it will be 9,000. This will be 9,000 in all the case. So why 9,000 it will come all the case? Purchase cost you have to incur. The resale value is not mentioned. We have to assume 0. But now we have to move to total cost. Your net capital cost plus your cumulative cost, you will get your cost. See, look here. So what is average cost? Lower the cost is compared, here it is. The same way, do yourself for B. Same way, please do B, my dear friends. Please do B. Yes. How is B? I just want to check your level of understanding. M1. The first year we have 4,000. Then there will be of 800 every. This is very important. See, here 8,000 is 2,000 is the installation cost, no salvage value. there is no salvage value, so there it will come 0. There is no salvage value, there it will come 0. So you will have 10,000. Plus cumulative, you take the cost, you have divided. So the cost is coming where? Looks here. So optimum period of replacement is what? A very important part we are starting. Very important part we are starting. What is that part? That is the last part. Should the M1 is to be replaced with M2, if so, when? Should the M1 is, see your M1 average cost is what? Your M1 average cost is 5,200. Here the average cost is 1,000. Now you tell me, the lower the cost of M1 is 5,200, M2 is 4,000. Which is cheap? M1 is cheap or M2 is cheap? M1 is cheap or M2 is cheap? Yes, my dear friends, you are correct. M2 is cheap. So the question is asking what? Should the M1 replaced by M2? Yes, it will replaced by M2, as M2 is lower the cost than, lower the cost. Yes, it will replace, it will be lower the cost than M1. Next part is the next part. If when, for that you have to make a chart. If so, when, so that we have to make it. So it's already 1 year old. So 1 year. So what we have to make it? M1 cost, M2 cost, M1 already 1 year old. M1 already 1 year old. I know you are ready. I am also ready. So look, this M1, this is for M1. See, this is 1 year old already. So additional 1 year, what will be the cost? The difference between these. What is the difference between this? 11,400. 11,400 9,200. M2, the minimum cost, always we have to make it 4,000. Dear friends, this always we have to take 4,000, because if you replace, the average cost is 4,000. So you have to put this average cost here. But here it is already we brought M1. If M1 is not bought, M1 is not brought, then there is no cost, only M2. But M1 you already bought. Since M1 you already bought, we will approach a differential approach. So how it will come next? Next, my dear friends, this is the 15,600 minus the next two. Year 2 and 3. First, we have discussed the difference between year 1 and 2. Now we will do year 2 and 3. See, when you approach 2 and 3 also, what is the number you are getting? the number you are getting once again. $4,200. See here the lower the one is M1. But here, what is the lower the one? 4,200 or 4,000? Which is the lower one? 4,000 or 4,200? Which is the lower one? 4,000. Which belongs to what? M2. So what will be the decision? The decision will be, we will replace M2 end of 1 year from now, or when M1 is 2-year-old. See, I will tell what is the meaning little interesting. See, I will tell the meaning little interesting. See, here 1, M1, year 2, we have M2. So we have to replace here. So when you want to replace it is at the end of year 1 now. Or M1 is already 1 year old. So already 1 year old. So already 1 year old, now 1 more year will become what? 2. That is the reason I have given this comment. But for your exam, comment and all not relevant because mostly it is online perspective 58. But they will give MCQ. So we will replace M2 at the end of year 1 from now, or when M1 is 2-year-old. How interesting, my dears. Yes. So now for your better clarity, one similar question we will do. For your better clarity, one previous year question will do. Please start the year of replacement by yourself. For your better clarity, similar one previous year question we will do. So your confidence will boost. So your confidence will boost. So come on. How interesting, my dears. See how. So for your benefit, so the optimum period of replacement is what? optimum replacement is optimum period of review is 5. Now they are asking the second part only relevant for us. That is what we have to do. How we did the same way we have to do. Equipment B. Here it is. Now you tell me what will be your comment. Will you replace your same usage is available? Average cost is only 3,300. Should it change? If so, when? Should we change? If so, when? The answer is what? The answer we will replace. It will replace by B as B. This is very clear. I have so here in this question, A is 2-year-old right now. So we will go for here. So here first A cost, B cost. B cost is 3,600, which we know already. A cost 2-year right now. Listen now. Listen now. 2-year right now. So third year rate is what? 14. So already 2-year right now. So the cost will be different between 3 and 4. So third now which one you select? Here all the cost is A only. So you will go with this year. Next year, one more year crossed. Now here when you look what will come. Yes, here it will come B. So when you will replace 2 years from now. From now or a 4-year-old. Or a 4-year-old. How interesting. So take your own time and copy, my dears. Take your own time and copy. So now here this is very important area, very twisty area, very advanced area, group replacement. Next topic. Advanced area. The topic name is what replacement. So, my dear friends, I know you are waiting for a small break. So we are giving the breakfast, whatever the break. So you can get fresh. So after the break, we will discuss about very important area. What is the topic name? Yes, the topic is nothing but group replacement. The topic is nothing but group replacement. So we'll give you to 8 a.m. we start. Now around 7:47, 7:48. So 10 can join. Okay. Yes, my dear friends, welcome back. So we will continue the session. Okay. So discussing, we are going to start one of the very interesting area, group replacement. Are you ready? We're gonna start group replacement. Are you ready? Are you ready? Shall we start? Very interesting. Listen very well. If you have any doubt, you can type in the chat box. Very easy. So first we will start step by step. So first we will read the question. Following are the failure have been observed for a certain type of light tube. Week 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is there. Percentage falling at the end of the year. Totally getting 100. There are 1,000 bulb in use. It to replace individual. So individually, one by one, if you replace, if all bulb were replaced simultaneously, to raise what is called simultaneously, it will incur only 50 paisa. It is proposed to replace all bulb at a fixed interval of time. Change all at a fixed interval of time. Whether or not they have burned out. So whether they are burned or not, they want to change everything in a fixed time. And to continue to replace burned out bulb as and when they fail. That means individual failure, you will replace it. At a fixed interval of time, whether burned or not, you will replace everything. So at what interval? All the bulb will be replaced. At what group replacement price per bulb would be? So we will start step 1. Listen very clearly. We will do group replacement. This week. So you are very see the is 10. The question they have given cumulative. We have to take the split. Second week 15 percentage. Third week 25 percentage. See how I am getting this. See 25 minus 10 you will get 15. 15 minus 25 you will get 25. Because we need to get a week wise what now if you take the total you will get 1. You will have total 1. See look here. Now what we have to do? We have to approach. First, everyone listen here. This failure only very important. First week, see we have totally we have 1,000. First week we have 10%. So 100. Now second week what is the failure? Second week our failure is 50. 1,000 into 15%. See, no one will have doubt here. 1000 15%. No one will have doubt here. But one more calculation I will do. One more. See, this last week we were done 100 replacement. That 100, what will happen? That is a fresh one that will get replaced by 10%. So this is very important. 1000 will become the second week, but the first week we have 100. That is now fresh one, so 10%. Now again one more I will do, you will get more clarity. We have 1000. That will reach what? 1000 is will reach to third week, it is 25%. So 25%. Now 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. So this 100 now 2 week. 2 week, what is that? 15%. Plus 3 minus 2, which is 1. This 160 now fresh. That will be 10%. Like that we have to 280. Going further, not required up to this, but for your benefit I am doing. 1000 now become fourth week. Fourth week it is 30%. This 100, this is 4, this is 1. What is 4 minus 1? 4 minus 1, 3. So 3 we have to take. Then again, 160. $281 is a fresh. See, we got it. So the question, what the question will, all the bulb are replaced at a fixed interval of time, and this very important point, burned out will replace as and when they fail. So this is the failure which will replace immediately. So what is the cost of failure? This cost of failure individually means 2 rupee out in the. This is also like that will come. What is the cost 2 rupee? This again will come 2 rupee. Again will come 2 rupee. So how you cost we make it? See, this cost is very simple. You incur 2 rupee. Failure column into 2. Again failure into 2, failure into 2, very simple. How the failure? Failure very easy. We have discussed that 1000 into 10% first week. Second will come what? 1000 will become now the second week 15% plus this 100 is last week completed. That will be now 2 minus 1 will be 1. So 10% will have to. Same thing here. Now what we are going to do now? Initial cost. See, if you do group replacement, 1050 paisa only will come. If you do group replacement, the concept is what? Every 1 week. If you do, what will be the total cost? If the total cost will be 500 is the initial cost. That is 500 is the, I will tell one simple example. You will get very clear. Every 1 week. So failure between day 1 to day 7. Failure between day 1 to day 7. We will have what is the failure? 100. So 100, we will incur 200 rupees. Now, what is the cost of day 7? Day 7, we will do group replacement. We will have 500. This will be 100 is our failure. We will incur 2 rupees. So it's 200. So what will be the total? So every 1 week is the case. Scenario is every 1 week. So failure between day 1 to day 7. You are doing every 1 week. So failure between day 1 to day 7 we have 100. So 100 into 2, we have 200. So 200 plus 500, it will be what? 100 rupees. So every 1 week now, we incur 700. Now for you, we are doing every 2 weeks. Every 2 weeks now, the same heading slightly will change. What is the slightly will change? Every 2 weeks. See, if every 2 weeks, week 1 failure plus week 2, that is 14th day only you will do. So that purpose we will go with a cumulative. That means your answer will be here the failure between day 1 to every 2 weeks, day 14. Day 1 to, so this is up to day 7. This is 7 to 14. So both we have to add. So for the better understanding, for shortcut purpose, we will make one column called cumulative. So for understanding, I am doing this example, but statement is very easy. That so we have 200 plus 320, you will get 520. So the amount here it is 520. See, this is one-time cost. Now this will not come day 7. This day 14. Amount is 500. This cost will always be 500. So what will be the situation? You have 550 plus 1000. So this is for 1 week. This is for 2 weeks. Not able to compare. So normal like average cost. This is what we do always normally. So what will be the average cost? 700 for 1 week, 720 for 2 weeks. So 510 looking reduced. Now we were done for every 2 weeks. Now how it will do? I will just change this. No need of nothing like this. Now, very easy way. Very easy way. Look here. See, we have the cumulative we have to take. Like this cumulative. So what is the total cost? This plus this. This divided by year. See, look here. 700, 510. It is increasing. So we have discussed a lot of replacement cost here. So once it started increasing, it will keep on increasing. So that means optimum period of replacement will be what? The group period, the optimum period is what? Week 2. The optimum period will be what? Week 2. Why it is week 2? Very simple. That will be the lower cost. So for your benefit, I will do next 1 week also. For your benefit, I will express once again the calculation. So how it will be? This you have to add cumulative. Here if you take total, average, see it's getting increased. So the group replacement, the best thing it is. So for your benefit, very fastly I will tell once again. Very fast is what? See this failure only testing. See this all are table. This table if you fill, your answer is completed. See the first one it is weak. Second one it is failure. Cost of failure, cumulative, initial cost, total cost, average cost. This initial cost will be same. You have 1000 bulb. If you do group replacement, it will come 50 paisa. So you will have 500. This individual you have to add into cumulative. That is the only thing you have to do. This failure, how to find out? That is what we said. 1000 bulb we have. 1000 into 0.1 you will have 100. Then 1000 into 50. This look here. 1000 will have 15%. Apart from that, last week we replaced 100. That will also get failure. Last week, not 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 now week 1 only 10% only will come. This 281 now 1000 now will become third week. This 100, 3 minus 1, 100 will be what? 2. 3 minus 1, 100 will be 2. So second week the failure is 15%. Then next will come 160 into this you will get. So this is how we have to make it. Please copy, my dears. We will go for one more similar question so you will get more clarity. Very interesting. So hope you have completed. So we have done now only group replacement. We have done only now group replacement. Now we will approach for individual replacement. So we will start for individual replacement. Listen here. See this symbol 1000 unit group replacement if you do 50 paisa. So 1000 into 0.5, that is what? 500. Very simple. So now we will do individual replacement. What is individual replacement? See, this is the failure. We will make into expected failure. We will make into expected failure. So how we will make into expected failure? We have week 1 into this. We have to multiply. Or this is called expected life, we can call week we multiply. Very simple. We just take the total. So first 2 step only 2 step. What is the total bulb? Total bulb is 1000. What is the expected life? Expected life 3.35 weeks. Expected 3.35 weeks. So what is the average life per week? Average life per week equal to 1000 divided by 3.3. 298. So we can convert into 298. So what is the cost for individual? Cost for individual will be what will be the answer? So I will repeat once again. We have the week, percentage failure we have to make it. Expected life we have to make. We have total bulk, expected life, average life. Some of the friends are very fast. They have find the answer already. Some of the friends are very fast. They have already. So 3.35, that will be 299. So the cost of individual replacement will be cost of into 299. So 299 into 2. 299 into 2 will come what? 598. So now what we will do now? Similar one more problem we will do. You will get more clarity. Similar one more problem we will do. So some friends will have small doubt will be rectified. If you do the problem, we will do question number 13. We will do question number 13. I know you are ready. I am also ready for you. The question number 13. It's a small question, very interesting, twisty question. Special purpose type of bulb never lasts longer than 2 weeks. That means the maximum life is what? 2 weeks. It never lasts longer than 2 weeks. The maximum will be 2 weeks. there is a chance that point 3 bulb will fail at the end of first week. So first week the chance is 0.3. There are 100 new bulb initially. The cost per bulb for individual replacement it will be 1 rupee. If it will be 0.5 only. Whether it will be individually every week or every second week, every third week. See, listen very well. First we will do individually. For your benefit, we will do. Listen. Week 1, 2. The question itself is telling that the bulb will not be life more than 2 weeks. The question is asking what is the cost for the third week. That is a wrong question because the life itself is what? 2 weeks. Since the life of bulb itself is 2 weeks, we cannot go more than that. So the first case will come probability. The first case will come probability. We will move to probability. The first week it is 0.3. My dear friends, very tasty question. The first week 0.3. See my friends, if any question we did here, look here. Probability total always must be 1. Probability total always must be 1. So if the probability total is 1, first week is 0.3. What will be the week 2? Very good, Arabic. It is 0.7. So the first week is 0.3. Total you should get 1. So the balance will be what? 0.7. So now the same thing. See how we do this question. Individual replacement. Same format. First expected life. So total life. Is we can make it into 15. Very good. Now we will approach group replacement. Now the hope this is clear. Hope my voice is clear. Please wait, let me rectify. We will rectify. Yes, my dear friends. Hope now the voice is clear. Please let me know whether the voice is clear right now. Yes. So we will resume, my dear. So that's what I told. We are just finding some technical difficulty. It will be rectified in the afternoon. So evening there won't be no issue. Evening there won't be no issue. Afternoon we will rectify. Now we will continue. We will go with group replacement. I was telling you the same format. I was telling you the same format. So week one. The question is doing for third week also. But there won't be no third week will come because the life is only up to 2 years. So third week you have to give not able to do wrong. That's all. So failure, first we have to do failure. Everyone listen now. 100 into zero point 0.3. Next day, 100 into 0.7 because we have already found 0.7. Now, this first week we have made a failure of 30. That is now 1 week old. So for that it will come 0.3. This is the thing which I was telling in the last case also. So 100 will become second week, for that it will be 0.7. 30 will become now first week, for that it will be 0.3. So we have to make it cost of failure, individual failure. What is the cost of failure? 30 into 1. Here 79 into 1. What is the cumulative? The same format. What is the cumulative? Very simple. What is the initial cost? The initial cost, we have 30. 100 bundle. The cost is 50 paisa. So for your reference, I will write here 100 into 50 paisa. Last case, it is 1000 into 50 paisa. Look here. So this will be same. So what we do next? Total cost. 50 plus cumulative. Now we have to do average cost. See, look here. So what is the cost if group replacement every 1 week? What is the cost if group replacement? See, for your online MTP question like that, for each they will ask 2 marks. Every 2 week. Copy fast. Now, my dears, we will go for another very important area of another important point of capacity decision. Are you ready? Yes or no? Are you ready? We will start. This topic is very important for your exam. Of replacement, you can do it as a homework. Now let me discuss some concepts. Let me discuss some concept for you. The next we want to discuss is called capacity decision. So what we Discuss now. There is a concept called bottleneck. There is a concept called bottleneck. What is the bottleneck? See, let us assume you are producing a car. A car requires steering. Car requires the engine. Car requires the body. See, in a day, you are having producing 10 unit of steering. Engine you are making 5 unit. Body you are making 12 unit. So the output is what? In a day you are making 10 unit required steering, 5 unit required engine, 12 unit required body. Tell me how output you can deliver in a day. How many output you can deliver in a day? How many output you can deliver in a day? What is the answer? See, my dear friends, if you look to here we have 10 steering is there. Here we have 12 body is there. You cannot deliver because engine is made only for what? 5 unit. The engine is made only for what? 5 unit. Since we cannot make it on beyond 5 because of engine constraint. So this engine which give the lower output. Engine which give lower output, we call it is what? Bottleneck. We call it is what? Bottleneck. Bottleneck means constraint in production. Suppose if we make this into 15 unit. We make now 15 unit. Can we make it into 15 minute or no? We cannot make into 15. We can make only what? 10. We can make only 10. Why we can make only 10? Very simple. The reason is what? Very simple. Though it made 15, now another steering is the bottleneck. So what is the concept of bottleneck? The concept of bottleneck is that if one unit is getting out of that bottleneck, another unit will come into that bottleneck. This bottleneck will go continuously. One unit to another unit. One unit to another unit. So I know you are ready. While we do problem, you will get more clarity. We can go with the problem. So what? So we will start. While doing problem, we will make it more discussion. So question number 15. Capacity utilization. Exam. A firm has 4 work centers A, B, C and D which have individual capacities given below. A, the capacity is 450, B, the capacity is 360, C, the capacity is 340, D, the capacity is 400. Actual output we have given only 300. First they were asking, what is the bottleneck center? What will be the bottleneck center? Last case also we have discussed. Low output one will be the bottleneck center. So the bottleneck center is workstation C. The answer will be workstation C. Bottleneck center they were asking. So bottleneck center will be what? Workstation C. Next they were asking, what is the system capacity? See, you can make one lot is equal to bottleneck capacity. System is equal to your bottleneck capacity. So your bottleneck capacity is already lot of friends was telling. It is 340. Your bottleneck capacity is what? 340. That is your system capacity. So next is system efficiency. System efficiency is nothing but your system capacity by actual output into 100. Your system capacity by actual output into 100. Your system capacity by actual output into 100. So what is your system capacity? System capacity is what? 340. You have to make, I'll make it. See, you have to, the formula is what? Your system capacity is 340, actual output is 300 into 100. What is the answer? 340 by 300 into 100. 340 by 300 into 100. What is the answer, my dears? 88.4. 88.24. This is just ulta, we have to make it. I made wrongly. It is we have to make 300 by 340. I just made it. Just this is actual output has to come numerator by system capacity. Some typing error I have made. Your efficiency cannot be more than 100. It will be up to 100. So 300 by 340 100. 340 into 100. 300 by 340 into 100. How interesting, my dears. How interesting, my dears. Copy fast. Now, try to do yourself question number 16. To do yourself question number 16. Let's see how we approach first. Question number 16, the same question. Very Samvit, very good Samvit. Lot of friends now started giving answer. Very good, very good. They were asking system capacity. So system is what? What is system efficiency? System efficiency is what? Your actual output 500. 500 by 500. This is coming for 6. That is what it is an exception. How interesting? Copy fast. Now here we left to one question. We'll complete that question. Question number 4. Here we left to one question. We will complete that question. Question number. Are you ready? Hope you are also ready. Question number 4, which we left in the morning. So we are just starting. So what is the question? A department of a company to process large number of components. The process chemical is 1.2. The process equipment time is 36 minutes per component. The requirement of imported component is 1.2 per component. The skill. Last question, output per component is given. But here the output per component we have to find out. So I am here ready. We can start. What is the question? What we have equipment how? What is the effective availability? See you have, but we can use only what 85%. Next is What is imported chemical? We have 1000, but we use only 95%. Next step, skill into 65%. So what the first 36 minutes we can convert into hour. 60 we can convert into hour. 0.6. Water chemical. We have 1 per count. Here we have 5 minutes. But this is hour. Look here. This is hour. This is minute. So we will make this also per hour. So 0.2. So what will be the component? This is the point number 1. This will be 2 divided by 3. Yes, my dear friends. So what is the bottleneck? Lower the output is bottleneck. Lower the output is bottleneck. Lower the output is bottleneck. The bottleneck. Lower the output is bottleneck. So which is the bottleneck? Equipment hour. See, this is how we find out 500 into 85. This 1000 into 95. 250 into 65. See, what about per component? This is 36 minutes in a hour. See, if 36 minutes in a hour now, what will be in a hour? So 36 minutes in a hour, 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. So 36 by 60, we will get 0.6. This is directly given 1.2. Here also 12 per minutes. The reason is what? Here it is hour. This effective availability, this is 425 hour. This is also hour. But this is per minute. So we just converted into hour. So we got 425 by 0.6. We got it. So we got it. How interesting. Hope you are clear. Next, my dears. If the skilled member increased by 20%, we can say no impact or changes as key factor or bottleneck is what? Bottleneck is equipment hour. Bottleneck, no impact or changes as bottleneck is. So, essay question if we completed, remaining all small question, we can easily complete. If this essay question if we completed, all small question, we can complete very fast. All the remaining small question, see what all. This is same question. This is also same. This is also same. So 18, 19, 20. All are previous year question. And that is what it coming lot of time. You can do it as a homework. 18, 19, 20 and all you can do it as a. Now with your permission, we will move to another question. Question number 17. So 18, 19, 20. All are small. You can do it as a homework. So now we will move on to the 17th question. Count the productivity per machine hour. So production is given. Now we have to find out the machine hour. I am here ready. Hope you are also ready. So what is the question number, my dears? 17. Statement showing computation of productivity. Statement showing computation of productivity. Okay. So we will have month. We have Jan, Feb, number of machines. We have 400, 550, 580. What is the working hour? 280, 220. So what is the total hour? See, we got the total hour. Product 99,000. 1 lakh 20. Question is asking what? Productivity in hour. So productivity we have machine hours. Yes, answer is ready. You can find out into also. If you do into 100%, you can make it into 100 also. Maybe for your exam, they make you option as a percentage. If it is percent also, we can. So this is in percentage. Copy fast. Have interest. Copy, copy. See how interesting. So hope you have completed. Hope you. So now we will complete this topic also. So far we will discussed a very important topic. So far we have discussed very important 3 topic. Now we have product is costing related problem, wages, and some more problem we will add in the evening session. So we will start in the. So today there is a small time changes for your evening. We will start little late. We will little early. We will start by 5. We will start the evening session by 5 p.m. Okay. So you can plan the timing accordingly. Because let us say finish very early. So instead of 6 p.m., we will start today little early 5 p.m. So if we achieve the target, we will have some more topic today. So if we achieve the target, we will leave you early. That is around 8 or 8:30, leave you early. So hope we can achieve. So we are starting our evening session today 5 p.m. So the timing based upon the target we complete. If we complete the target by 7:30, we leave you by 7:30. It is complete by 8 p.m. 8 p.m. 8:30 to 8:30 because we have to make it most of the area. See, look here. Today we were doing most of the problem. So though it is a revision, we were doing most of the problem for your benefit. Only one thing we have to make it. This online exam is going to be a boom for you. You can score the maximum mark for your exam. So you don't want to miss any mark. We want to meet you all in the final class, not in the inter class. Okay, so we are winding up the session. So hope your studies are going well. So wish you all the best. God bless you. If any doubt, you can make it a unmute or in the chat box you can ask. So with your permission, we are winding up our today's session. Thank you all. Question number 5. Which is question number 5. Yes, this is the question number 5 answer. Some friends is asking the question number 5 answer. One second.
Sir, screen share please.
Yeah. This one. Welcome all, welcome. Janardhan, welcome. Topic is nothing but the topic we have left plus additional topic shared. We will share you the topic. We will share you the material. I will share you the material so that you can release it. I will share you the material online. Once I reach the home, I will share you the material. Okay, not home. Once I reach office, I will share you the. Okay. So hope you have completed copying. So we are just winding up this. So thank you all of you. So we'll meet in the evening session. Okay. So we'll meet in the evening session. Thank you.